On today's video, I will show you the best way to use these two natural remedy to get rid of hair loss, hair fall, hair breakage, thinning hair, itching scalp, dandruff, slow hair growth, boost your hair growth 10 times faster. My first remedy is onion. If you are dealing with slow hair growth, hair fall, hair breakage, hair loss, itching scalp, dandruff, onion juice is the solution to that problem. Onion juice is very effective in solving all these problems and also is effective in growing your hair in any area you want to regrow. Yes, onion juice is very effective if you want that crazy faster hair growth. Consistent of using onion juice, your hair will grow like crazy. That is no joke. And mixing it together with this other ingredient, I will mix it in this video. It will make it more powerful, more potent, and more effectively. Your hair will grow 10 times faster. I'm using 1 medium size of my purple onion. What I'm doing now is to peel off the skin. After peeling off the skin, this is what I have. I'll go off camera to wash it before I move to the next step. Next thing now is to grate it. I don't want to use blender to blend it because if I use blender, I would water on it. I don't want extra water to come in contact with this onion juice preparation. So if your blender can crush it without you adding water, please use your blender to blend it, okay? Onion juice help with hair growth because it contains sulfur to support strong and thick hair, prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen productions. Collagen in turn help the production of healthy skin cell and hair growth. There are so many other benefits in using onion on your hair. Do you know that onion juice can also darken your hair? Yes, if you're consistent of using onion juice on your hair, it will help to darken your hair natural. And also if your hair is always dull, using onion juice on your hair can also make your hair get shiner. Yes, onion juice is very effective. And if your hair is weak, onion juice can help to strengthen your hair. There is a lot of benefit in using onion juice on your hair. So start now incorporating onion juice on your hair. Before end of this year, your hair will never remain the same. So after grating it, I use my sheep cloth to strain out the onion juice out. So this is the onion juice I have now. The next ingredient I'll add in this onion juice to make it more powerful, more effective, and more potent is coffee. I will make use of 1 tablespoon of coffee. Make sure that the coffee you are using contains caffeine on it. Coffee is another powerful remedy that is very effective, giving you crazy hair growth. Yes, coffee can stimulate hair growth. Coffee can thicken up your hair, stop hair fall, hair loss, and also darken up your hair. Yes, coffee is very powerful. Combine these two ingredients together, your hair will grow like crazy. When I mean like crazy, your hair will grow like crazy. There's no joke. So to take this recipe to the next level, to make it more powerful, more potent, I will add my essential oils. Yes, these essential oils will make this recipe more powerful, more effectively, honestly. And also it will help the smell of that onion. If you always worry about the smell of onion, that's why you're not using onion on your hair. Adding it essential oils will help a lot with that smell of onion. You will never perceive the smell of onion. Adding it alone with coffee, you will not perceive the smell of onion. But if you don't want the smell of onion at all, add it essential oil. You can add it lavender essential oil, rosemary, peppermint, any essential oil you have. Feel free to drop it and you will see you will never have any excuse for you not to use onion juice because of the smell. So adding it essential oil will take away the smell of the onion juice, and you use this recipe and get that good results you're supposed to have on it. So the next thing again I add on it to make it more moisturizing and more hydrating is glycerin. Glycerin will help to hydrate the hair, moisturize the hair, okay? Because coffee and onion, they can dry out your hair, but adding it glycerin, believe me guys, this is the best way to use onion and coffee on your hair to grow your hair without too bothering of the smell or the dryness of coffee and onion. I have shown you the best way to prepare this two recipe to solve your hair problems and grow that 10 times faster hair growth. So now is to know how to apply it to get that good results. So how to apply this two recipe to get that good result to solve those your problems and boost crazy hair growth is to use it on a fresh wash hair. Do not use it on a dirty hair, please. Use it on a fresh wash hair. On your wash day, after shampooing your hair first, apply this recipe on your hair. After applying this recipe on your hair, massage your scalp very well. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair. If you have steamy cap, use your steamy cap or your shower cap or your cellophane nylon, whatsoever you have to use it to trap some heat. Use that and cover it up. Allow it to sit on your hair for 1 hour. Yes, don't allow it to sit less than 1 hour. I recommend 1 hour. You can leave it for 30 minutes, but 1 hour is the best for this recipe to sit on your hair and do that great work it's supposed to do on your hair. After the 1 hour, go and rinse it out. Deep condition your hair. Please, if you hear any noise, I'm so sorry about that. So after rinsing it out and deep condition your hair, moisturize your hair. Your wash day routine is over for that day. How many times can you use this recipe for that best result? Please use it every of your wash day. If you are washing your hair once in a week, use this recipe. If you are washing your hair once in 2 weeks, use it in that once in 2 weeks and you will see a great change. Using it on your hair for 6 weeks, your hair will never remain the same. Your hair will grow. You start seeing new growth in your cross section, your bald spots, your edges. That your thinning hair will start getting thicker. That your itching scalp will stop. Your hair loss will stop. Your hair fall will stop. Your hair breakage will stop. Your hair will start growing like crazy. You will get all the whole benefits you're supposed to have with this recipe. Your hair will never remain the same. If your hair is always weak, this recipe will help to strengthen your hair. Just try to be consistent with this recipe for 6 good weeks. Your hair will never remain the same. I kid you not. This remedy is tested and trusted. There's no joke with this recipe. Just use it the way I direct you. In 6 weeks time, you will thank me. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys when you try this recipe on your hair. I can't wait to get your feedback. Or have you tried before? If you have tried before, please leave a comment in comment section below. Tell us how this treatment will work on your hair, okay? So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please, if you have not liked up to this point, help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me a lot to bring out more good content to you guys, okay? And also it helps the growth of the channel. And also, if you have not joined this beautiful family by subscribing, please do wait to click on that subscribe button. Believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. And once you subscribe, please make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Help me to share this video to your family and friends so that they get the good news on how to use these two recipes to grow their hair like never before. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.